What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. And today I've got another podcast episode that is also kind of like an entrepreneurial business, biz dev, thoughts that I want to get out there for the podcast. So if you're watching this, it's going to be on YouTube. If you're listening to this on the podcast, then keep listening because I feel like you're going to benefit from what I'm about to say, especially as it pertains to the Keto Brick business. Let's roll the intro. All right, so for those of you that do not know, if you've been living under a rock, I am Robert Sykes, Keto Savage, the owner, founder, and CEO of Keto Brick, alongside with my wonderful wife, Crystal, and our team. Keto Brick is a business that we built way back in 2018 because we were looking for a way to improve our ketogenic nutrition options. That's what I used for my ketogenic competition prep that I earned my pro card status on. We developed that business as a business in 2018, and from the very beginning, we wanted to create the highest quality product without fail, without sacrifice, without cutting any corners. That's why we've kept the entire production in-house from day one. As such, we have, honestly, I think I've said this on videos before too, but the margins are not that great on the bricks, y'all. We are not like a normal bar company that puts mediocre ingredients into the brick and then jacks up the price that, relative to the cost and makes a killing on it. Our margins are very slim. That's why I had to make that very honest, transparent video with y'all when we increased our prices earlier this year. When you use really high quality ingredients like we do, like cacao butter, for instance, the margins are just slim to none, and I don't want to make it a cost-prohibitive product that y'all can't afford because I want everybody to benefit from this as a quality, nutritious source of food and fuel. That said, from a margin standpoint alone, it doesn't really make that much sense to do discounts. And then from a strictly branding and business standpoint, we've never really wanted to do discounts because I feel like it oftentimes gets overused and can devalue the brand and the product. For instance, you walk into a Joseph A. Bank clothing store, you buy one suit, you get 3 suits free. When you have that type of mentality towards your product, it's hard to feel like the product is just of utmost quality. I am very proud of the Keto Brick. I am very confident in saying that it is the highest quality meal replacement bar out there, bar none. We don't have the margins to have discounts, and I don't want to devalue it because I believe in the quality and the integrity of the product. That said, I also recognize that we are living in difficult times with regards to inflation, cost of everyday goods, gas costs, food costs. Everything's getting more expensive. And I don't ever want to have a product that other people who are less financially well off are able to benefit from simply because they can't afford it. So what I would like to do, if y'all can recall, back in August of last year, we did a brick-by-brick launch. Another really quick story time here for those of you who do not recall. We moved into our new facility, the Compound 2.0 here in Northwest Arkansas, in August of last year. We have the front of our building, which is made with bricks, and since this entire company has been built from the ground up with y'all's support from day one, we decided to do a brick-by-brick launch because this company has literally been built brick by brick. As such, anybody that bought a brick that month that we moved got a discount on the bricks, and their name was painted on one of our physical bricks in the very front of our building. Every single day I walk into this building, I see those names, I take pride in those names, I take pride in the fact that y'all felt strongly enough to support our brand, our business, our endeavors, and I'm proud to have you on the wall. Many of you have come by, driven out here to get a picture with your name on the brick, which I think is just freaking awesome. Anybody that's got a name on a brick, by all means, come out here, train with us, get a picture of your name on the brick, all that good stuff. And I feel like, again, I don't want to do discounts on a regular occurring basis because I feel like, for all the reasons I just said earlier, it devalues the product and we don't have the margins. But I do think there is some merit in offering a discount, a singular discount for people that do need that financial help, or just simply for people that want to take advantage of the discount and stock up on product that they believe in, which is something that I'm a fan of. So we're going to make the August brick by brick anniversary an annual thing. So when this podcast goes live, this Friday, the 26th of August, we're going to enable the brick by brick discount on the website. If you go to ketobrick.com and you type in brick by brick at checkout in the discount code area, you will get 15% off your entire order. So just like what we did last year with the brick by brick launch, when we're trying to move up here and fill the wall, we're doing the exact same thing this August from the 26th of this month, so today, Friday the 26th at noon Central, until the very end of the month, which is the 31st, which I believe is a Wednesday, at midnight. That brick by brick discount code will be active, and you can get 15% off of your entire order at ketobrick.com. Also, because we are now doing our own screen printing, which I'm super, super excited about, more on that later, we're doing all of our own screen printing, taking everything we learned from the brick production, keeping all the production in-house, and learning to print our own shirts. We're going to print a limited edition brick by brick, specialty edition shirt for all of you that purchase more than $250 worth of product. You can get a Keto Brick shirt. We made a Keto Brick shirts. That's on the website now too. But if you purchase more than $250 on this brick by brick launch, basically, then we're going to throw in a free limited edition brick by brick shirt to commemorate the event that we have printed ourselves. Super excited about that. That'll be at the, when you go through the store, you'll be able to see that as an option. At checkout, you have that $250 threshold, and that shirt becomes free. Happy to see how that goes over, and happy and excited to see y'all wearing these shirts that we're making in-house. So there's that. We got the discount. We got the time from noon on Friday the 26th until midnight on Wednesday the 31st of this month. We got the discount of brick by brick for 15% off your entire order. We got the free limited edition brick by brick t-shirt for those who order more than $250 worth of Keto Brick product. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. That is the brick by brick launch. It's what I'm excited about. Is there anything else, Crystal? Nope. She says no. She's my brain over there, my audience. Super excited about it. Super excited to see all y'all get involved. Super excited to have y'all get some bricks, get some shirts, and just be a part of this family that we are very much so becoming. So thank you all again. Take care. KetoBrick.com.